Hello, good morning, my dear students. This is Suraj Anand, chemistry teacher. Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Wala Anand sir. The today's topic. This is the class of chemistry of class 9. The chapter number 3, atoms and molecules. We are going to complete it. The chapter 80% syllabus is completed. 20%. The mole concept. The main sub chapter of this chapter, atoms and molecules. The mole concept is very important topic for class 9, class 10 in carbon and its compound, and you can also see in the class 11th, and it is very important topic all over the chemistry. It is totally based on the mole concept. Whatever you are going to solve the numerical, whatever you are going to solve the molecular mass, the mole concept is very important. So make it clear in the simple way, in the simple easy step. In Latin, mole means heap or collection or pile. You all know what is the collection, what is heap or pile. A mole is a collection of atoms whose total mass is the number of gram equal to the atomic mass. Since an equal number of moles of different element contains an equal number of atoms, it becomes convenient to express the amount of the element in terms of the mole. It is very convenient to express the amount of the element in terms of mole. It is very convenient. So a mole represents a different number of particles, that is atoms, molecule, ion or electrons. So this mole has a different number, is called the Avogadro number, now called the Avogadro constant, which is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Always remember in your mind, always keep in your mind. A mole, the definition of the appropriate definition of mole, a mole is defined as the amount of substance that combine, that join as many atoms, molecule, ion, electrons or other elementary particle as there are atoms is exactly 12 gram of carbon 12, that is 12 by C. The mass of 1 mole of atoms of an element is its relative atomic mass taken in gram. Suppose that I am taking the two examples here. The atomic mass of sodium is 22.99 mu. We take it as 23 in the simple way, but the exact data is 22.99 mu. Therefore, the mass of 1 mole sodium is exactly 22.99 gram. Similarly, the mass of 1 mole of molecule is the relative molecular mass is taken in gram. Second example, the molecular mass of ammonia NH3 is 17.031. How it comes? 14 of nitrogen and 1.008 of hydrogen. So it becomes 17.031. Therefore, the mass of 1 mole of ammonia is 17.031. So look out for a few seconds. After that, I am going to start the significance of the mole. What are the significance? What are the importance of the mole? So my dear student, let us start the significance of the mole. How we define the mole? How can we signify? How can we just calibrate the importance of mole in terms of chemistry? In terms of chemistry, in terms of science. How? It is also used in the physics also. It is used in the bio also, but in the different terms. So you always remember the mole. Mole is very important topic. Mole is the combination of molecules, ions, electrons or substance. So you must be remember in your mind, the mole is very important, and the 1 mole is equal to the Avogadro number is denoted by, that is the 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Somewhere also you found 6.022 into 10 to the power 22, but its exact data is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. That is also called the Avogadro number or Avogadro constant, you can say that. So we are discussing the significance of the mole. Next topic. These all are come under the topic of mole concept. Significance of the mole. What are the significance of the mole? So let us start the significance of the mole. The first point. A mole represents the following. A mole represents the following. The point number 1. It represents, I already discussed before few seconds, it represents 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Always represent particles of the substance. Particles of the substance. This is the point number 1. Point number 2. The mass of 1 mole of an element, the mass of 1 mole of an element equal that of 1 mole of an element equal that of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of the element. Atoms of the element. Atoms of the element. Point number 3. 1 mole of a substance represent 1 mole of a substance represents 1 gram formula, 1 gram formula mass of the substance. Let us take the example how it should define the 1 gram mole of the substance. Let us take the example. For example, let us take the example. 1 mole of hydrogen chloride, 1 mole of hydrogen chloride, that is HCl. Is equal to 1 plus 35.5 gram. That is the atomic mass of hydrogen, that is atomic mass of chlorine. Atomic mass of chlorine is equal to 36.5 gram of HCl. So this represents the mass. This represents the mass of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of hydrogen chloride. Molecules of hydrogen chloride means HCl. Next topic, the last one, that is the fourth of the list. 1 mole of a gas at standard temperature. 1 mole of a gas at standard temperature and pressure occupies 22.4 liters. Thus a mole represent 22.4 liters of a gas at STP. Standard pressure is equal to standard pressure is equal to 76 cm of mercury, that is Hg, mercury, and standard temperature is equal to standard temperature is equal to 0 degree centigrade is equal to 273 Kelvin. Let us understand these things in a very simple way. So what are the significance of the mole? A mole represents the following. A mole is going to represents the following. So my dear student, let us understand how a mole represents the following things. Let us understand. A mole represents the following thing. First of all, a mole represents the following significance of mole. The topic is, first point, it represents 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles of the substance. Second, the mass of 1 mole of an element equal to that of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of the element. Third point, 1 mole of a substance represents 1 gram formula mass of the substance. That is example, 1 mole of hydrogen chloride is equal to 36.5 gram, 1 plus 35.5 gram. This represents the mass of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecule of hydrogen chloride. Fourth, 1 mole of a gas at a standard temperature and pressure occupies 22.4 liters. Thus, a mole represents 22.4 liters. 24 liters of a gas at STP. Standard pressure is equal to 76 cm of mercury and standard temperature 0 degree centigrade is equal to 273 Kelvin. So this is about the significance of the mole. We know the definition of mole, we know the significance of mole. Let us take the few example of NCERT. Let us take the few example of NCERT. Just make it calculate the exact calculation. Example number 3.3, 3.4 and 3.5. So my dear student, it is all about the, just take it the example of 3.3. Just take the example of 3.3. These are all come under the mole concept. So we are discussing the mole concept. We are discussing the chapter atoms and molecule. So let us take the example in briefly and make it clear. The example of NCERT of page number 41. Page number 41. Let's take the example of example number 3.3. Example number 3.3. What is example number 3.3? Example 3.3. Let us take the example 3.3. Calculate the example number 1. Calculate the number of moles for the following. Calculate the number of moles for the following. 52 gram of He, finding mole from mass. 52 gram of He, finding moles from mass. Second number, 12.044 into 10 to the 23 number of He atoms into 10 to the power 23 number of He atoms, finding mole from number of particles. Finding mole from number of particles. So my dear student, this is the question. So let's first understand the question. Calculate the number of moles for the following: 52 gram of He, finding mole from mass, and 12.044 number of atoms, finding mole from number of particles. So let us understand these things in the clear way. So number of moles is equal to 1. Answer. Number of moles is equal to n. Given mass is equal to m. Is equal to m. Molar mass is equal to m. Given number of particles, given number of particles is equal to n, and Avogadro number of particles, Avogadro number of particles is equal to n0. So first number, atomic mass of He, is equal to 4U, and molar mass of He is equal to is equal to 4 gram. So you can say thus the number of moles is equal to, thus the number of moles is equal to given mass by molar mass. Mass is equal to, that is N is equal to 52 by M by M equal to 52 by 4 30. Second number, we know 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. The number of moles is equal to, moles is equal to given number of particles by given number of particles by Avogadro number, that is N is equal to N by N0 equal to 12.044. The data is given 12.044. 12.044 into 10 to the power 23 by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, and the answer is 2. So these are the numerical of calculate the number, and these are the things we have solved it. Calculate the number of moles. Okay, so these are the things we have to be calculate the number of moles for the following. After that, we can take the example of 3.4. We can take the example of 3.4. It is very easy and convenient. Let us take clear explanation. Calculate the number of moles following. Number of moles is equal to N, given mass equal to M, molar mass equal to M. Given number of particles is equal to N, Avogadro number is equal to M0. So the first number 52 gram of H, atomic mass of H is equal to 4U, molar mass of H is equal to 4 gram. That's the number of moles given mass by molar mass. N by M is equal to 52 by 4, that is the 30 is your answer. So the finding the mole, number of moles is 30 in He. We know 1 mole is equal to 6.0 to total number given number of particles by Avogadro number, N is equal to N by N0, 12.044, data is already given, 52 gram is also given here. So this is the data, 6.022 is the Avogadro number, and answer is 2. So this is all about the question number 3.4. Example number 3.4. Example number 3.4. Let us take the example of 3.4 and 3.5. I am also going to be clear it today. So an example number 3.4. Let us take the example number 3.4. Is the clear concept in the simple and easy manner and the simple easy step. If you are not going to understand, just make it the comment. Sir, make it the slowly or make it the fast. So the question number 3.4. So the question number 3.4. The question number 3.4. 3.4 is एग्जाम्पल नंबर विजिबल हो जाता है. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3.4. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3.4. Calculate the mass of the following. We are going to calculate the mass of the following. Mass of the following. One number 0.5 mole of N2 gas. Mole of N2 gas. That is the nitrogen gas. Mass from mole of molecule. Mass from mole of molecule. I am writing the fast and understanding you also fast. So make it clear. Do it fast. 0.5 mole of an atoms. Mass from mole of atom. Mass from mole of atom. Question number 3, they are going to ask you 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 number of n atoms, number of n atoms, mass from number. Calculate mass from number. And the last question is question number 4. They are going to ask you that 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of N2 molecules, number of N2 molecules, mass from number also, mass from number. So let us understand it in a simple easy step. These are the things they are going to ask. Let's understand the question. Calculate the mass of the following: 0.5 mole of N2 gas, mass from mole of molecule; 0.5 mole of N atom, mass from mole of atom; 3.011 into 10 to 23 number of N atom, mass from number; 6.022 Avogadro number, number of N2 molecules, mass from number. So let us understand this very simple way. The solution or the answer, you can say the solution. So make it clear. Very simple easy step. So question number 1, mass is equal to molar mass into number of mole. Molar mass into number of moles equal to m is equal to m into n, that is you can write here 28.0.5. N2 molecule 14 into 14, 28 the number atomic mass of nitrogen 14 and 28 why 2 atoms of nitrogen present there, 14 into 2, 28.0.5 is equal to 14 gram. 14 gram is your answer. Second is mass is equal to 0.5 mass is equal to molar mass into number of moles. Molar mass into number of moles is equal to m is equal to m into n is equal to 14 into 0.5 is equal to 7 gram. Is equal to 7 gram is your answer. Third number, the number of moles is 3.0 number of n atom. The number of moles is equal to the number of moles, n is equal to given number of particles by Avogadro number, that is n is equal to n by n0 is equal to 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, therefore m is equal to m into n is equal to 40. Therefore 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 is equal to 14 into 0.5. The answer is 0.5. That's why the answer is 7 gram of this also. After that, question number 4. 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Question number 4 is I am going to write here. Answer. N is equal to n by n0. That is you can write here m is equal to m n by n0. So you can write here 28 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 by 6.00 into 10 to the power 23. 1. Therefore 28 is equal to 1. 28 is to 1. 28 into 1 is equal to 28 gram. This is your fourth answer. So my dear student, let us understand this 6 in a very simple way. Calculate the mass of the following 0.5 mole of N2 gas. You can write here mass is equal to molar mass into number of moles, m is equal to m into n, 28 into 0.5, 14 gram is your answer. Second question, 0.5 mole of n atom mass from mole of atom. Mass equal to molar mass into number of moles, n is equal to m into n, 14.5, 7 gram is your answer. Question number 3, 3.01 number of n atom mass from number. Number of moles equal to n is equal to given number of particles per gram. N by n0 is equal to formula 3.01 10 by 23 by 6.022 into 10 by 23. M is equal to m into n 40. Therefore 3.011 into 26.023, that is 14.05. The answer is 0.5. So you can write here the 7 gram answer. Question number 4. 6.02 the number of N2 molecules mole from number. N is equal to N0. M is equal to N by M0. 28 is equal to 6.022. That is the 1. 28 is equal to 1. 28 into 1, 28 gram. So these are the things you have to be remembered. Example number 3.5. Let us understand the example number 3.5. 3.5. Let's do the example of 3.5 of today last question, not the list. Because timing is also very important. More than 25 minutes is very not effective video. More than 25 minutes of class. Because it takes my time is going to be for one video is more than 45 or 40 minute class. 45-minute class in your school also, in your classroom also. So let's take the example of 3.5. 3.5. Calculate the number of particles in each of the following. Example 3.5. Calculate the number of particles in each of the following. They are going to ask you calculate the number of particles. So my dear student, let us understand. 46 gram of Na atoms. First number. 46 gram of Na atoms, sodium atoms. And the formula is number from mass. Number from mass. Second number question. 8 gram O2 molecules. 8 gram O2 molecules. O2 molecules. Number of molecules from mass. Number of molecules from mass. And 0.1 mole of carbon atom. The third one. 0.1 mole of carbon atom. Number from given moles. Number from given moles. So let us understand these questions in a very easy steps. The solution is, I am going to write the solution. So let us take the solutions also. So my dear student, the first is the number of atoms. The first is the number of atoms. Number of atoms is equal to number of atoms is equal to given mass by molar mass. By molar mass is equal to Avogadro number. Avogadro number. Avogadro number. So let's check the formula. So that is the number of atoms to given mass by molar mass is equal to Avogadro number. So N is equal to M by, sorry, there is a small m, given mass is equal to small m by m is equal to m0. So let's take the example. N is equal to 46 by 23 is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Is it clear? So N is equal to what? N is equal to 12.044 into 10 to the power 23. Okay. N is equal to number of moles. That is your answer. That is your answer. Second number question. Just look the second number question. the number of molecules is equal to the number of molecules is equal to the number of molecules is equal to given mass by molar mass is equal to Avogadro number. Given mass by these are the formula is equal to Avogadro number. Okay, you always look about the question, the number capital and small letter. There are differentiation. So n is equal to m by m is equal to n0. So you can write here atomic mass of oxygen is equal to atomic mass of oxygen is equal to 16. Is it clear? 16 U. So molar mass of O2 molecules, molar mass of O2 molecules is equal to 32 U, because two molecules are there. 16 into 2, 32 gram. N is equal to 8 by 32 is equal to 32 into 6.022 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. N is equal to 1.5055 into 10 to the power 23 is equal to 1.51 into 10 to the power 23. This is your second answer. The number of molecules of 8 gram of O2 molecules. And the question number 3rd, the last question, the number of particles atom. The number of particles, that is the atom, is equal to number of moles of particles, number of moles of particles into Avogadro number. That is the formula. If you are going to solve the question, the number from given moles, the carbon atoms we are solving. So the number of particles or atom is equal to number of moles of particles into Avogadro number. That is the n is equal to small n is equal to n0. That is the 0.1. That is the formula, and you can write here the 0.1, n is equal to 0.1, 0.1 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, and the answer is 6.022 into 10 to the power 22. This is your third answer. So my dear student, let us understand it in a very simple and easy step. So the question is asking, calculate the number of particles in each of the following. Calculate the number of particles in each of the following. Question number 1, 46 gram of sodium atom. Number from mass. Number of atoms is equal to given mass by molar mass is equal to Avogadro number. N is equal to m by n is equal to m0. N is equal to 46 by 23. 46 what? 46 gram of sodium atom. And sodium atom's atomic mass is 23 equal to 6.023. So n is equal to that. Is it clear? The number of molecules, second number, 8 gram of O2 molecule, number of molecules from mass. Given mass by molar mass, Avogadro number. N is equal to m is equal to n0, atomic mass of oxygen equal to 62 U. The number of molecules, O2 molecules is 32 gram. N is equal to 8 by 32, 6.023, and that one, and the 1.51 into 23, that is your second answer. 8 gram of molecules is the number of particles present in it. Third number, 0.1 mole of carbon atom, number of particles, one atom is equal to number of moles, particles by Avogadro number. That is the formula. N is equal to n into n0, n is equal to 0.1, 6.023, 6.022, data is given, 0.18 gram and 46 gram, they are the data, 22. So that is the third answer. So these are the today video. Thank you for watching my video. This is Surya Anand, chemistry teacher, my channel. Chemistry wala Anand sir, give more views, like and share. Also subscribe my channel, share to the student of class 9. Don't skip the video, go throughout the whole video and complete the chapter in the simple and easy step of chemistry, atoms and molecule. Thank you for watching. Take care. Wish you all the best. Thank you all of you.